I was talking with a very close friend the other day, and she thinks I'm awesome, right? She thinks I'm amazing. She can see all my great qualities. So she asked me, why do I need a coach? Why have I invested 21,000 US dollars in a business coach? And maybe at some level, I know that I have potential, right? I have something that I want to share. I have things that I want to do. I know that I can be more. I have a higher self, right? That I want to attain, that I want to reach, or that I want expressed. But without a coach, those things would never be realized, and I would never know how to start on that journey. The metaphor that comes to mind is that there can be a really great book, right? An awesome book with the best stories and the best lessons, and it's on the shelf, right? It's closed. And it's still a really great book, but nobody's reading it, right? It's on the shelf. And the process of investing in a coach and going on a journey with that coach and having a close relationship with your coach is the process of taking yourself off the shelf and opening up the pages of the book and releasing the information and knowledge and skills and talents to the world so that they can be understood and realized, right? That's the way that I see it. And if I hadn't have invested in my coach, then I would be one really frustrated and at the end of my life, a very regretful book on the shelf.